Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. Letters of Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, onward. I only tell you this, that whoever reads this letter will imbibe my spirit. Have faith, onward. Swami Vivekananda. Letter number 165. The Mutt. Footnote. The letter was actually written from Ambala. 19th August 1897. Dear Mrs. Bull, my health is indifferent, and although I have some rest, I do not think I shall be able to regain my usual vigor till winter next. I had a letter from Joe saying that you are both coming to India. I, of course, will be very glad to see you in India. Only you ought to know from the first that India is the dirtiest and unhealthiest hole in the world, with scarcely any European comforts except in the big capitals. I learned from England that Mr. Sturdy is sending Abhedananda to New York. It seems that the English work is impossible without me. Only a magazine will be started and worked by Mr. Sturdy. I had arranged to come to England this season, but I was foolishly prevented by the doctors. In India, the work is going on. I do not think any European or American will be of any service here just now, and it will be hard for any Westerner to bear the climate. Annie Besant, with her exceptional power, works only among the Theosophists, and thus she submits to all the indignities of isolation, which a mlecha is made to undergo here. Even Goodwin smarts now and then, and has to be called to order. Goodwin is doing good work, as he is a man and can mix with the people. Women have no place in men's society here, and she can do good only among her own sex in India. The English friends that came over to India have not been of any help as yet, and do not know whether they will be of any in the future. With all these, if anybody wants to try, she is welcome. If Saradananda wants to come, he may, and I am sure he will be of very good service to me just now in organizing the work. Now that my health is broken, there is a young English woman, Miss Margaret Noble, very eager to come to India to learn the state of things, so that she may do some work when she is back home. I have written her to accompany you in case you come via London. The great difficulty is that you can never understand the situation here from a distance. The two types are so entirely different in all things that it is not possible to form any idea from America or England. You ought to think that you are starting for the interior of Africa, and if you meet anything better, that will be unexpected. Yours, etc. Vivekananda. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tatsat. Shri Ram Krishna Arpanamastu.